Imagine you have found your dream home, signed all the papers, but then something unexpected happens, and you need to step away from the deal. What happens next? Can you just walk away, or are there consequences for changing your mind in such a big transaction? Yes, there can absolutely be penalties for a buyer breaking a real estate contract, especially if you do so without a valid reason permitted by the agreement. These penalties usually involve losing your earnest money deposit, but they can sometimes extend to other financial repercussions depending on the specifics of your contract and local laws. The core reason penalties exist is because a signed real estate contract is a legally binding agreement between you and the seller. When you make an offer that is accepted, you both commit to a transaction. The contract outlines specific terms and conditions, including certain provisions called contingencies, which are conditions that must be met for the sale to proceed. If you break the contract outside of these agreed-upon contingencies, you are in what is known as a material breach, which carries consequences to protect the seller from financial loss and inconvenience. The most common penalty is the forfeiture of your earnest money deposit. This is money you put down upfront to show your good faith and commitment to the purchase. If you back out without a valid contingency, the seller typically has the right to keep this deposit as compensation for their lost time and market opportunities. In some cases, sellers might even sue for specific performance, which forces the buyer to complete the purchase, or for additional damages if their losses exceed the earnest money. To avoid unexpected penalties, it is crucial to thoroughly understand your contract, especially all the contingencies. Common protections for buyers include the inspection contingency, which allows you to back out if significant issues are found during the home inspection. There is also the financing contingency, which lets you withdraw if you cannot secure a mortgage, and the appraisal contingency, which protects you if the home appraises for less than the purchase price. These clauses act as your contractual escape routes, allowing you to legally terminate the agreement without penalty. Always work closely with your real estate agent and a real estate attorney to ensure you fully understand your contractual obligations and rights. They can help you navigate the fine print, explain how specific contingencies work, and advise you on the best course of action if an unexpected situation arises. Being informed upfront helps you avoid costly mistakes and ensures a smoother, more predictable home buying journey.